Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. I'm Sandy, and I'm so happy that you are here with me. Today, I'm going to show you how to make two beautiful mirror wall decor pieces using dollar store products. I will list out all the materials, and if you would like, you can also visit my blog site at creativdiy.com for all the details, including tips and tricks, as well as links to my Amazon store where you can purchase some of my favorite craft tools and materials if you are unable to find them at your local dollar store. If you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would also love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. To begin, I will show you the materials. All the materials were found at Dollar Tree or Dollarama unless otherwise stated. We will need a few different mirrors. Here I'm covering a mirror with the placemat so we don't get the reflection of the camera above. However, you can see that the size of the mirror is approximately 11 by 14 and roughly the same size as the placemat. We will also need a round mirror. The size should be smaller than the 11 by 14 frame. For our second wall decor, we will also need another rectangular or square mirror with a silver frame. The one I'm using is approximately 8 by 10. We will also need one or two silver placemats as you saw earlier. The quantity will depend on the size of the mirrors you end up using. This one I picked up from the Dollar Tree has a very interesting design, and on one side it is silver and on the flip side it is white. If your 11 by 14 frame is not the color you prefer, you may also opt for some silver rhinestone ribbon like I have here. This rhinestone ribbon is available from Amazon. We will also need a string of silver beaded necklace. And as per most of my craft projects, we will also need some fix-all glue, as well as our handy dandy glue gun, which I purchased from Amazon. To begin, center the placemat onto the 11 by 14 mirror and then trim off the excess from any sides that spill over beyond the mirror onto the frame itself. Then use a small amount of hot glue to adhere the silver placemat on top of the 11 by 14 mirror. Make sure you set aside the extra pieces you cut off, as we will be using it later for our second wall decor piece. Since my frame is black and gold, I will be covering it with some silver rhinestone ribbon. This ribbon is so beautiful and will give a nice glitter effect to the mirror when we are done. Next, apply some fix-all to the back of the round mirror and then affix the round mirror to the center of the 11 by 14 mirror. Make sure to lay the round mirror directly on top of the placemat in the center of the 11 by 14 mirror. Then take some silver beaded necklace and using some hot glue, place it as an outer border around the round mirror. And there you have it. Our first glam wall decor piece is finished. You can choose to hang it on the wall, or if you prefer, you can also place it on an easel and place it on a table like I have done here. Look how beautiful and unique this wall decor is. And no one would guess it only cost a couple of dollars to make. For the second wall decor piece, simply take the leftover pieces of placemat that you trimmed earlier and adhere them both to the center of the second mirror with some hot glue. When you place the leftover pieces, it should form the shape of a silver leaf. You can actually choose to repeat this for 2 or more additional mirrors if you want to hang them together as a group. And that's it. Two great looking wall decor pieces that are so easy and quick to make. They look expensive and high end, but only cost a couple of dollars to make. Comment down below and let me know which wall decor piece you prefer, the first one or the second one. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.